Hi everyone, in today's lesson you will learn how to calculate the mode and median of a dataset. You should be able to do this by the end of the lesson. First we'll look at calculating the mode. The mode is the number that appears the most in a set of data. Your data should be ordered before you try and calculate the mode. So let's have a look at some examples. In A we can see that our data is already ordered, so we're just looking for the number that appears the most in this set of data. We have 2 2s, 3 3s, 4 4s, 6 5s, 2 6s, a 7, an 8 and a 9. Therefore our mode must be 5 as it is the number that appears the most in that set of data. In part B our number is not ordered, so we'll begin by ordering it, starting with our smallest number and working our way up. Got 2 3s, 2 5s, a 6, 2 8s and a 9. Okay, so the number that appears the most in this set of data is 2. It appears 4 times, therefore our mode is 2. Now, if in example B we also had 4 of another number, so for example if we had 4 2s and 4 3s and they were both the number that appeared the most, your mode would be 2 and 3. So you can have 2 modes if they are both the numbers that appear the most. Okay, calculating the median. The median is the middle number in the set of data. The data does have to be ordered before we find the middle number, okay? Now, there are 2 ways you can find the median here. First of all, this is an ordered set of data, so we don't need to order it. We could either count in one number from either side until we reach the middle number. Okay, so that's probably the easiest way to do it. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. We have one number in the middle, which is 5. Therefore, our median is 5. Just checking that I do have the same number of numbers on either side of that median, so I have 4 numbers on either side. This works for small data sets, but if we're dealing with, say, 51 different numbers, this would be a bit of a pain. The other way you can do it is you can think about the fact you have 9 numbers here. So if we have 9 numbers in part A, one of them is the median, which leaves us with 8 numbers. The 8 numbers have to be split evenly on either side, which means 4 numbers on either side of the median, which means the median lies 5 numbers in. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 would get us to 5. That is just another way to do it. In part B, again, our data is already ordered for us. Now, I'm going to show you how I would figure this out without counting from either side. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 numbers. One of those numbers is the median, which leaves us with 10 numbers. 10 numbers need to be shared on either side of the median, which leaves us with 5 numbers on either side of the median, which means our median is 6 numbers in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let me just check. Do I have 5 on either side? Yes, I do. The median is 29. Again, you could just get to that by scoring 1 off from either side till you get to the middle. Okay, so this is a method for odd sets of numbers. So when there's, say, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, etc. numbers in the set, because there is definitely one median. Now let's look at what happens when we have an even number of numbers in the data set. So here we have no middle number. When we had an odd number of numbers, we could pick out the definite middle, but we can't do that now. So let's look at what we do. Right, first of all, I'm going to order this data. So starting with the smallest number, which is 15. Then I have 16, 16, 16. Then I have 17, 17, 18, 19, 20 and 21. Okay, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the fact we have an even number of numbers means there is no middle, So we just half it and say that there should be 5 numbers on either side of the median. If I count in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that gets me to the £17. So the median must lie in between two numbers. That leaves us with 5 on this side and 5 on this side. The median lies between £17 and £17. The method that we use to figure out the number that lies exactly in between is we add those two numbers together and we divide by 2, which gives me 34 divided by 2, which is 17, which makes sense because there is no number in between 17 and 17. So the median in this case is just £17. Okay, we're going to have to start by ordering this data first. So the smallest number we have here is 15, 15, 15, 19, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 27, 27, 28, 35 and 35. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 numbers. The fact we have an even number of numbers here, there is no median, so we just half the 14 to tell us that there must be 7 numbers on either side. If I count in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, the median lies directly between 25 and 26. So in order to find our median, I have to add 25 to 26 and divide my answer by 2, which gives me 25.5 grams as my median.